Okay, so I'm going to walk through our 383 final project for our group. This is for a fictitious theater chain called Panther Theatres, and we've created a business app for them. What we implemented was a bottom navigation view. So there's a main activity, and that loads the different fragments that we've created. I think this looks really cool. It's pretty modern layout. So we've started with the home page, pretty simple. It's got their logo, slogan, and some information about a rewards program, as well as a button that would connect to the sign up page. We've got the show times as our next tab with the scroll view. And it's got a linear layout and a relative layout. It's got some nested stuff going on, and it actually came out pretty cool. We've got the movie posters on the left-hand side, the movie titles, along with some show times. Next, we've got the movies. We've got another scroll view situation, except we've got, like the MPAA rating, the genre, and the runtime, along with the synopsis and a leave feedback button, which would connect to a rating system or a review system. There's a couple APIs out there. There's like Fandango and Rotten Tomatoes, but for the scope of this project, we thought we'd already kind of included enough as far as APIs go and didn't want to get too complicated. We think we got the point across pretty well there. Next page, we've got a really cool Google Maps integration. I did some animation of the camera, and it zooms to the Milwaukee area. We also added some custom popcorn map markers, and I utilized the add marker function, and I put them down where the some of the Marcus Theaters locations were, just for verisimilitude that this app would make sense as a theater app. Interestingly enough, the directions functionality works really well. Being in the emulator, it thinks I'm in Silicon Valley. So as you can see, it opens up Google Maps for you, and the directions works pretty good. Going back to the app, we've got one final page, which is really cool. This is our login account page. In our wireframe document, we had thought we would do the feedback, but as I explained earlier, we kind of changed our mind a little bit, and I think you'll like what we've got going on here. So let's pretend that we don't have an account. So we click don't have an account, and let's make this called Project Video. As the email, there is input validation. So if I don't have the format of an email, please enter a valid email at gmail.com. We've got password, and then you see it's got a toast and a focus to the delinquent text view that needs to be changed. So let's call this Project Video as the password, and click sign up. We've got a progress bar and a user-registered toast. And so let's go check. We used Firebase for this, so let's go to Firebase console for a second under Authentication. And there it is, 383project@gmail.com. So now that we know we have an account, let's go back to the login page. 383project@gmail.com. 383project. And let's log in. Progress bar, login successful toast, and then it takes you to the next fragment, which is the user profile. Again, none of these buttons have functionality, but this is how we would set it up if they did. We could, again, leave app feedback, maybe do like a mail to link to send something to developers. Here you could do a change password, which would not be hard to implement using the Firebase authentication, or change avatar for your review profile. So yeah, that is the Android Panther Theatres app for our 383 group, and we hope that you like it.